Alright, welcome back. Till now we have learned words, sentence structure, description, accuracy. But now we are moving to something bigger. Not just sentences, but connecting ideas. And that is what makes English sound fluent. Today's topic, conjunctions. Why conjunctions matter? Let me show you something. I was tired. I slept. Correct, but basic. Now, I was tired, so I slept. Now it feels smooth, connected, natural. That's what conjunctions do. They connect ideas, improve flow, make your speech natural. What is a conjunction? Now, the real concept. A conjunction is a word that connects words, phrases, sentences. Example, I like tea and coffee and connects two ideas. So, conjunctions are like bridges. They join thoughts together. Types of conjunctions. Now let's organize. We have three main types: coordinating, subordinating, correlative. Each type has a different role. Coordinating conjunctions. First type, coordinating. These join equal ideas. Examples, and, but, or, so. I was tired, so I slept. I like tea and coffee. These are the most commonly used. FANBOYS rule. Now, an easy way to remember FANBOYS: for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. These are the main coordinating conjunctions. You will use them in daily English. Subordinating conjunctions. Now we go deeper. Subordinating conjunctions connect ideas, but one idea depends on the other. Example, because, although, if, when. I slept because I was tired. So you have main idea, supporting idea. This creates depth. Complex sentences. Now this is where English becomes advanced. Instead of two sentences, I was tired, I worked. You say, although I was tired, I worked. Now your English sounds mature, fluent, connected. This is called a complex sentence. Correlative conjunctions. Now, next type. Correlative conjunctions work in pairs. Examples, either, or, neither, nor, not only, but also. Example, either you come or stay. These are useful in formal speaking. Sentences flow. Now let's focus on flow. Basic. I was tired, I worked. Better. I was tired, but I worked. Now your sentence shows contrast. This is what real English sounds like. Meaning changes with conjunctions. Now, very important. Different conjunctions change meaning. And, adds, but contrasts. So shows result, because shows reason. Example: I was tired but I worked. I was tired so I slept. Same situation, different meaning. Common mistakes. Let's fix mistakes. Mistake 1: overusing and. Mistake 2: not using conjunctions. Mistake 3: using wrong conjunction. Example: I was tired and I slept. Okay, but basic. I was tired, so I slept. Better. Real expression upgrade. Now let's upgrade sentences. I studied, I passed. Better. I studied, so I passed. I was tired, I worked. Better. I was tired, but I worked. Now your English sounds natural, fluent, connected. Practice. Now your turn. I was late. Add result. I was tired. Add contrast. I will come. Add condition. Practice like this daily. This builds fluency. Conclusion. Let's wrap this up. Conjunctions. Connect ideas, improve flow, create fluent speech. And remember this: fluency is not about speaking fast, it's about connecting ideas smoothly. So, from today, don't speak in broken sentences, connect your thoughts.